Understanding open finance, what it means for you. Open finance is a new way of thinking about your money. It's all about giving you more control. Imagine all your financial information, like your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments, being accessible in one place. This doesn't mean it's open for everyone to see. Instead, it means decide who can see your data and how they use it. This system aims to make managing your finances easier and more personalized. It helps you get a clearer picture of your money so you can make smarter decisions. It's like having a better map to reach your financial goals. You are in the driver's seat, and that's a powerful place to be when it comes to your financial future. So how does all this sharing happen safely? It happens through something called an API. Think of an API, or application programming interface, like a very secure messenger. It's like a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter, the API, what you want from the kitchen, your bank. The waiter then goes to the kitchen, gets only what you asked for, and brings it back to you, the app you're using. The waiter doesn't get to see everything in the kitchen, just what's needed for your order. This means your bank doesn't give out your login details. Instead, the API allows different financial apps to talk to each other securely, with your permission, of course. This technology is a game changer for many folks. Before open finance, your financial information was often stuck with just one bank or one company. If you wanted to use a new budgeting app or get financial advice from a different service, it was a lot of work. You might have had to manually enter all your transactions or share your passwords, which is not safe. Open Finance changes that. It lets different financial tools work together smoothly. This creates more competition among financial service providers, which can lead to better products and lower fees for you, the customer. It's all about making your financial life simpler and more efficient. The main idea behind Open Finance is to put you, the consumer, first. It's built on the principle that your financial data is yours. You should have the right to access it, use it, and share it as you see fit, safely and securely. This doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind. It means you have the tools and the rights to manage your money in ways that weren't possible before. This can help you build a stronger financial foundation. Understanding how this works is the first step to taking full advantage of the benefits, while also protecting your hard-earned money. The big wins: how Open Finance helps your wallet. One of the biggest benefits of Open Finance is account aggregation. This sounds complicated, but it's really simple. It means you can see all your different financial accounts in one single place. Think about it. Your checking account from one bank, your savings from another, your credit card balances, your mortgage, and even your investment portfolio. Instead of logging into 5 or 6 different websites or apps, you can see a complete snapshot of your financial health on one dashboard. It makes it so much easier to track your spending, see where your money is going, and understand your overall net worth. It is a fantastic tool for getting organized with your finances. Another huge win is getting tailored financial advice, because approved apps can see a fuller picture of your financial situation with your permission. They can offer advice that's truly personalized to you. Generic advice is okay, but advice based on your actual income, spending habits, debts, and goals is much more powerful. Imagine an app that helps you create a realistic budget based on your past spending, or one that suggests the best way to pay down your specific debts. This kind of personalized guidance can help you make better financial decisions, avoid common money mistakes, and reach your financial goals, like saving for a down payment or getting out of debt much faster. Open Finance also opens the door to a wider range of financial products and services. When companies can securely access the data you allow them to, they can create new and innovative tools. You might find better loan rates because lenders can get a more accurate view of your credit worthiness beyond just a traditional credit score. You could discover new savings or investment products that are a perfect fit for your specific needs and risk tolerance. This increased competition and innovation means more choices for you. It forces financial institutions to up their game, offering better services and more competitive pricing to win your business, which is always a good thing for us consumers. Ultimately, these benefits work together to help you manage your money more effectively. When you have a clear view of all your accounts, receive advice tailored to your life, and have access to a diverse set of financial tools, you are in a much stronger position. It can reduce financial stress because you feel more in control and informed. You're not guessing about your financial situation. You know where you stand. This clarity can motivate you to stick to your budget, save more, and invest wisely. It's about making your money work harder for you, so you can live the life you want and worry less about your finances. Keeping your money safe, trust and security in Open Finance. Now, when we talk about sharing financial data, the first question that pops into most people's minds is it safe? That's a very important question. Data security is absolutely crucial in Open Finance. Reputable providers use advanced security measures like encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your information. Remember those APIs we talked about? They are designed to be secure pathways. They only share the specific data you've agreed to share, and they don't share your bank login credentials with the third-party app. This is a big step up from older methods where you might have been tempted to give out your username and password, which is a huge no-no. Understanding who has access to your data is key. With Open Finance, you are the one who gives permission. When you sign up for a new financial app or service that uses Open Finance, it will clearly ask for your consent to access specific information from your financial institutions. It should explain what data it needs and why it needs it. You should always review these requests carefully. Don't just click agree without reading. You have the right to know exactly what you're sharing. Reputable companies will be transparent about this. If a company isn't clear about how it uses your data, that's a red flag. This brings us to the importance of trusting the providers you choose. Not all financial apps or services are created equal. You need to do a little homework. Stick with well-known reputable companies that have strong security practices and clear privacy policies. Look for reviews, check if they are regulated, and understand how they make money. If a service seems too good to be true or is vague about its security, it's best to steer clear. Your financial data is sensitive, and you should only entrust it to companies that take its protection seriously. Trust is earned, and you should feel confident in the providers you choose. It's also important to remember that open finance systems are often regulated. Governments and financial authorities are putting rules in place to protect consumers. These regulations often require companies to meet certain security standards and to be transparent about their data practices. This regulatory oversight adds another layer of protection for you. However, regulations alone aren't enough. Your vigilance is still your best defense. Always be aware of what you're sharing and with whom. By being careful and choosing trustworthy providers, you can enjoy the benefits of Open Finance without putting your financial information at unnecessary risk. Taking charge smart steps for using Open Finance by 2025. To make the most of Open Finance safely, it's important to actively manage your permissions. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door wide open, you shouldn't leave data connections open indefinitely if they're not needed. Regularly review which apps and services have access to your financial data. Most platforms that use Open Finance will have a dashboard or settings area where you can see and manage these connections. If you stop using an app, revoke its access. Don't just delete the app from your phone. Make sure you formally cut the data link. This is about being proactive and staying in control of who sees your information. Understanding privacy measures is another smart step. Take the time to read the privacy policy of any financial app you use, even if it seems boring. Look for clear language about how your data is collected, used, stored, and protected. Does the company sell your data to third parties for marketing? If so, you need to be comfortable with that. Transparent platforms will make this information easy to find and understand. They will also explain your rights regarding your data, such as the right to access it or request its deletion. Being informed about these policies helps you make choices that align with your comfort level for privacy. When choosing Open Finance tools, opt for transparent platforms. A transparent platform is one that is open and honest about its practices. They should clearly explain what data they need, why they need it, how they protect it, and how they make money. If their business model relies on selling your detailed personal data, you should know that up front. Look for services that prioritize your security and privacy, not just cool features. Many great tools are available that are both innovative and trustworthy. Choosing wisely means you can harness the power of Open Finance without compromising your peace of mind or your financial security. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, open finance tools have the potential to truly enhance our financial decision-making and overall well-being. By giving us a clearer, more complete picture of our finances and providing personalized insights, these tools can empower us to budget better, save more effectively, pay off debt faster, and invest more wisely. Imagine having a financial co-pilot that helps you navigate your money journey with greater confidence. As these technologies continue to develop, and as we become more comfortable and savvy in using them, they can play a significant role in helping more people achieve their financial goals and build a secure future for themselves and their families. The key, as always, is to use them wisely and stay in control.